The usage of since and for can sometimes be confusing, but understanding their differences is crucial for effective communication in English. Let's break down the distinctions between these two words. Since, point in time, usage. Since is used to refer to a specific point in time when an action started. Example, I have been working here since 2018. Cause or reason. Usage. It can also be used to indicate the cause or reason for something. Example, she's been happy since she received the good news. Subordinating conjunction. Usage. Since can function as a subordinating conjunction to introduce a dependent clause. Example, since it's raining, we'll stay indoors. For duration of time, usage for is used to indicate the duration of an action or state. Example, I have lived here for 5 years. Purpose or reason. Usage. It can also express the purpose or reason for an action. Example, she is studying for her exams. Preposition. Usage for is often used as a preposition followed by a duration of time. Example, I will be on vacation for 2 weeks. Summary. Use since for specific points in time or to indicate a cause or reason. Use for to denote the duration of time or express purpose. Examples, I have been working here since Monday. Indicates a specific starting point in time. I have been working here for a week. Indicates the duration of time. She has been happy since she met her friend. Refers to the point in time when she met her friend. She has been happy for days. Indicates the duration of her happiness. In summary, while since focuses on a specific starting point, for emphasizes the duration of an action or state. Understanding these nuances will help you use these words accurately in different contexts. Let's go through a few exercises to practice using since and for correctly. I'll provide sentences, and you can correct them if needed. Exercise. I have been studying French, 3 months. They have known each other, high school. We haven't seen each other, ages. She's been working on the project, last Friday. I have been waiting here, an hour. Corrections. I have been studying French for 3 months. They have known each other since high school. We haven't seen each other for ages. She's been working on the project since last Friday. I have been waiting here for an hour. Explanation. Use for when indicating the duration of time, as in, for 3 months. Use since to refer to the point in time when they started knowing each other, such as, since high school. Use for to express the duration of not seeing each other, as in, for ages. Use since to indicate the starting point of an action, like, since last Friday. Use for to indicate the duration of waiting, as in, for an hour. These corrections align with the appropriate usage of since and for in each context. Practice like this can help reinforce the correct usage of these words.